back to the channel. My name is Alyssa Morrison, or the Alyssa Morrison if you are new here, and today I am coming to you live from my new bathroom. Just moved into my new apartment, still getting acclimated to it all. The lighting is kind of dim, but we're just gonna do the best we can this week. Today I am sharing with you guys some products that have completely transformed my blonde, extremely brittle, damaged, fried hair into soft, bouncy, manageable, and healthier hair. I have naturally very curly hair. I lost my curls for a while there just because my hair was so damaged, and this is done today with absolutely no curl product or curl cream or gel or anything in them, so they are naturally kind of falling like this, which is amazing. I'm super glad with where my hair is at now. First of all, the first tip that I would say is to find a hairdresser that you trust, that knows your hair type. I've been fortunate enough to find the most incredible hairdresser I've ever been to. She is an expert at blondes, and she really knows my hair. The type of person where I fully trust her, and without a lot of guidance on my part, she just transforms my hair into magic. So I would definitely recommend going to someone who is familiar with not only your hair type, but the background of your hair, and someone who's going to help keep you blonde, but in the healthiest way possible. So first off, going over shampoo and conditioner. Now, I don't use products specifically for curly hair. I only use products that are for like blonde or damaged hair. These are my tried and true shampoo and conditioner. This is the Olaplex No.4 and the Olaplex No.5. These are brand new bottles. I just finished my first bottles of these, and I am obsessed. I don't think I will ever use anything else. The conditioner is extremely lightweight but so hydrating, and the Olaplex system, if you are unfamiliar, is actually going in and repairing those bonds in your hair. So it is actually repairing the hair instead of just putting like a coating over your hair where it feels soft. It's actually repairing the damaged hair. These two work so well together. You only need the tiniest amount. It's a super concentrated product, and I cannot live without these. Next, I have two after shower products that I recently discovered, and I cannot say enough good things about them. I have the Olaplex No.6 Bond Smoother and the Olaplex No.7 Bonding Oil. I got this a couple weeks ago, and I've already used that much. I know I probably overuse it, but I use this every single day. I don't wash my hair very often. Without that conditioner really soaking into my hair during my showers, my ends get very dry, and that's where this comes in. It keeps my hair feeling like freshly washed hair. I will just apply this to my ends every single night from about here down. It smells delicious. This is by far my favorite hair oil that I've ever used, and yes, these products are expensive. If I'm spending money coloring my hair, I want to protect that investment by using good products that will not only make the color last, but will make my hair healthier and not look so frazzled. Final product that I want to mention is the Fanola No Yellow Purple Shampoo. The vegan version is the better version I have discovered. I've had both. This one also smells like sweet tarts. It smells so good. I love this. It does not dry out my hair at all. A lot of purple shampoos make my hair feel like straw, but this does not dry out my hair. I will usually go in with 2 washes when I do use this, and I use this about maybe twice a month. It gives excellent color. It really brightens up your blonde and keeps you super bright and fresh. If you guys have any hair care recommendations or product recommendations for keeping your blonde hair healthy and fresh, please be sure to leave those in the comments down below. I'd love to check them out. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and we'll see you next week.